Hello, and welcome to Carden Telecoms' guide to setting up and using the 3CX desktop app. 3CX also has a mobile app available, but today we're going to take you through the Windows desktop version. We'll have another video with details on the mobile version. If you're a Carden Telecoms customer, you should already have 3CX installed, but if not, here are two ways you can install and log into the 3CX desktop app. You should have already received an email with your 3CX details. Navigate to the link 3CX app for Windows within this email and download the file. Once it's installed, double-click on the provision file attached in your 3CX email and save this file. Once saved, double-click on the file to provision and log into your 3CX app. Alternatively, you can use the login information in the email to log into the 3CX web portal. From there, you can select Apps and then install the desktop app. Once it's installed, click the Provision button to activate and log into the app. You should now be logged in and ready to make your first call. Check the top corner of the app and make sure you are in softphone mode. If your software is connected to a desk phone, you can toggle between desk and softphone modes from here. If you are using 3CX in conjunction with a physical handset, you should select desk phone. If you are only using 3CX as an application on your computer, you should select softphone. If you do not have a desk phone connected, you will only see the icon for softphone and do not need to change anything. To make a call, you can press the keypad icon and then enter the number you want to call using the on-screen keypad. Then press Call. You can also call one of your saved contacts directly by navigating to your contacts, finding the desired contact, and then calling them from here. As you'll see from this screen, if the call recipient is also a 3CX user, you have some other options as well as calling. These include starting a text chat, which might be preferable to a phone call in some circumstances. You can set an activity status so others in your organisation can see how available you are. By default, it will be set as green for available. This will set your status across all devices that you have 3CX installed on, including your desktop, mobile, and web versions. Sometimes, you may need to transfer your call to another user in your organisation. There are two methods for doing this: unattended transfers and attended transfers. We'll cover both of the methods here. An unattended transfer is when the call is sent directly to its new destination. To make an unattended transfer, press the Transfer button and dial the extension you wish to transfer the call to. Press the Transfer button. It is then safe for you to disconnect your side of the call. An attended transfer is one which allows you to speak to the extension you are transferring the call to before you make the connection. To make an attended transfer, press the button marked ATT Transfer, located just below the Standard Transfer button. Then dial the extension you wish to transfer the call to. You can then speak to the extension you are transferring the call to. If they are ready to accept the call, you can press the Standard Transfer button and complete the transfer. It is then safe for you to disconnect your side of the call. By default, calls will divert to your voicemail if you do not answer them. But if you can't answer a call and you want to divert it to the voicemail immediately, you can click Divert to Voicemail. You can access your voicemails at any time by clicking on the voicemail icon in the menu at the bottom of the app. When you're on a call, you can record it by pressing the Record button. When you've finished, if you want to play back or share your recording, you can go to your Settings, then Recordings, and then right-click to save your recording to your machine and play it back. When you are on a call with a single user, You can add another user to the call by pressing the conference button, dialing the number or extension of the other party you want to join the call, then pressing the plus icon and then the arrow icon. We hope this has been a helpful introduction to the basics of the 3CX desktop application for Windows. There are lots of other great features to explore within 3CX. To learn more or get expert advice, speak to Carden Telecoms team today. You can reach us by emailing our help desk on helpdesk@cardenitgroup.com.